The purpose of the Recovery of the Year Award is to recognize a school district, insurance company, and restoration company that worked in tandem to quickly recover from an incident such as fire, severe weather, or flood. I'm honored to present the first Recovery of the Year Award to
Muskego-Norway Schools, Kelmann Restoration, M3 Insurance, Environmental Management Consultants,
EMC Insurance, and LJ Shaw and Company for their successful recovery after a fire at the Bay Lane Elementary School. Thank you for your efforts to restore that building and get the students back to school.
Well, it was a early Sunday morning, and I got a phone call from our high school operations supervisor, who's actually a firefighter as well, and he let me know that there was an actual fire at one of our elementary schools. I immediately started to respond to the scene and called into action our disaster restoration company, Kelmann, to help with the assist. From a recovery standpoint, working with Kelmann and EMC Insurance was a success. Kelmann had a full busload of workers to help restore the building within 9 days. So it was a large elementary school, and to get us back up and running in 9 days was just a fantastic effort.
And when you're looking at a school fire, certainly it's more than just the visible, this is where the fire occurred, but it's more far-reaching with smoke, odor, and soot all being involved in all the fires typically.
Super grateful for all the folks that helped us get through it, from EMC Insurance, EMC Environmental, Kelmann Restoration, even our adjuster did a really good job with LJ Shaw, all of our staff, teachers, and all those that help support get us back up and running. So thank you.
Well, it's pretty cool that we're receiving this award. Our company is built for this type of an event. Our people are trained in this, and we're experienced as well. So for us to be recognized for our efforts on a project like this means a lot. Recognition from our peers, recognition from our customers is always a good thing. And we thought this was a great project, and we're certainly happy to be involved. Glad it was a positive outcome, and again, we're always out there to help everybody else.
We would hope to never receive this award again, because it means that there was a disaster. We're really thankful to be recognized by WASBO and the committee for selecting us. It was really 9 days. I hope to never have to relive in my career, but if we did it all over again, I feel like we did all of the right things during the recovery. And I really hope that when we share our story with others that join our session, that they learn that in the face of something like this, that they can work their way through it. They can be a leader in the system to be able to help guide their system through it. So hopefully they can learn a lot from our session.